Welcome to ScienceAdo. In this YouTube channel we provide insights, news, tips on science, travel and technology topics. Let's get into the topic. AMRs can be split into three broad buckets. AMRs that transport inventory and product. AMRs that assist in the picking process. AMRs that are a flexible sortation solution. 1. AMRs that transport inventory and product. Transporting inventory and product from one place to another within a facility is, typically, a low-skill task that adds little or no value to the product or operation. As such, it is often one of the first tasks to be automated when an operation decides it is warranted. Automating product transportation means that workers can stay in their primary work area in order to perform other, more valuable tasks while work is brought to and taken away from them with AMRs. In the past, when an operation wanted to automate the transport of product within a facility, the main options available were forklifts, conveyor and AGVs. While effective, these options are typically labor, floor space, and capital intensive. Today, there are a range of AMRs specifically designed to fill the efficiency gap in functionality. Instead of working with only large and heavy loads, they are designed to pick up and drop off individual cases and totes and items. Exactly how these systems operate will depend on the exact AMR model. 2. AMRs that assist in the picking process. Order picking is one of the costliest tasks performed within an operation, not because it requires a high level of training or skill, but because it is extremely time-consuming. In fact, physically walking from location to location within a facility can account for up to 75% of the time associated with picking. When it comes to complementing your pick operation with AMRs, you have many different options at your disposal. The most common include AMRs used in order picking. AMRs that increase inventory visibility. 1. AMRs used in order picking. There are many varieties of AMRs designed specifically to reduce travel time associated with picking. This is accomplished by reducing picker travel time by bringing product to the picker. AMRs can be used to increase the productivity of picking operations in several ways. AMRs used in conventional picking. We define conventional picking as having SKUs stored in a stationary, forward pick area in some type of shelving or rack, where pickers move from storage location to storage location picking SKUs and placing them into discrete order containers on conveyor, carts or manually carry. In zone picking, an AMR takes an order tote, bin to a shelving or rack location within a zone. A picker, working that zone, is then able to select inventory from the surrounding locations to complete the order. Augmented vision, RF, paper pick lists or pick-to-light may be used to direct the picker. Once the order is complete, the AMR will retrieve the tote and bring it to the next zone for further picking, or to a packing station for final shipping. This process is repeated with multiple AMRs operating and transporting to many zones. The end result is that a worker is able to spend more time actually picking orders, and less wasted time walking and searching. AMRs used in goods-to-person picking. Goods-to-person picking involves storing multiple SKUs in sections of shelving, rack or bins. The AMRs are directed to retrieve a specific SKU found in the shelving. The bot maneuvers under the shelving and lifts it off the ground. The AMR then moves via the shortest path to the designated pick station. The pick stations are designed to have a queue of AMRs with shelving on them ready to pick. The AMR moves into position and the pick-to-light directs the operator to make the correct pick and quantity. The operator is then directed to place the correct SKU and quantity into the OP orders they have in their station. As they are putting the SKU into the proper open orders, the AMR leaves and a new one presents itself. This assures that the next pick is always waiting for the operator. The WMS/WES systems manage the entire order fulfillment process. It tracks the location and quantity of each SKU stored, In order to coordinate and optimize the AMR tasks, this eliminates wasted operator walking, searching and dwell time, increasing productivity by up to 450%. Further productivity can be gained from this type of system by setting up packing stations for specific types of orders. Single-line orders. Bring case quantity of one SKU to the station and fill multiple orders at one time. VAS orders. Orders that are slow to pick and/or pack that require gift cards or special handling like fragile products. 3. Separate e-commerce and retail, wholesale stations. These orders have different profiles that affect productivity. Having separate stations for each type of order will produce higher overall productivity and accuracy. Additionally, for operations that pair a pick-to-cart strategy, AMRs can be incredibly useful in transporting carts from one location to another within a facility. They can, for example, move carts between zones, or bring full carts to be packed, processed, and shipped. Automating this transportation can improve total order cycle time by allowing pickers to stay in their zone, reducing travel time and increasing efficiency. 2. AMRs that increase inventory visibility. Accurate, clear inventory visibility. Knowing where product is within your distribution center, warehouse, and overall supply chain, is critical to modern order fulfillment. But for particularly large and complex operations, inventory movement and reconciliation can be a daunting and time-consuming process to coordinate. A fleet of AMRs, directly integrated with the system, allows for automation which drastically reduces the amount of time and cost required to keep productivity and order accuracy maximized. No inventory system is perfect, because events happen that do not record the right amount of product received, put away, replenished, or picked. It also manages cycle counting to catch irregularities before they become an operational problem. 3. AMRs for flexible sortation. Autonomous mobile robots can also play an important role in sortation. Different models come equipped with a variety of handling technologies. From conveyor roller to tilt trays and cross-belt systems, AMRs are equipped for a wide range of sortation solutions, including high-speed AMR sortation is easily achieved by utilizing a fleet of tilt-sort bot tilt tray AMR models. These bots work on a mezzanine with chutes for location or order positions. Either people or robotic arms induct an item on the top of the tilt-sort bot. The induction station camera above the bot reads the barcode and takes off via the shortest path to its destination chute. Items or parcels are collected in sacks, gaylords or containers. Once complete, either an operator or AMR takes the completed order to shipping. Another AMR brings in an empty container to resume the sortation process. Floor sortation for e-commerce, returns, kitting, and order fulfillment can be accomplished by using a high-tilt bot sorter AMR. These units are 42 inches tall and are equipped with a tilt tray top. This system works directly on the floor and can be expanded or condensed based on daily requirements. Consolidation and return sortation using put workstations. In this application, AMRs bring to a workstation an open gaylord, bin or pallet. They queue in position. The operator is directed to put the correct item and quantity in the bin. Hit the like button if you like this video and share your ideas in the comment section. And of course, do subscribe.